Mitmuyang banderita sa taliwapang dekorasyon pamasko in Laos Group Event Center kang syudad na ning San Fernando, Pampanga anyang Lunes, December 4. Pagselebran kasi in 20th anniversary at Christmas party na ni Pampanga Chamber of Commerce and Industry Incorporated o PAMCHAM, ami kitemang Kapampangan Christmas Fiesta.
We chose the theme Fiestang Kapampangan. We have to really ilabas ang kultura Kapampangan, our culture, at the same time showcase the Kapampangan food, cuisine, our delicacies, and our beautiful culture, the music.
Papakit na naman kanun ning may sabing tema ning pamikatagon ing mas masaganang business environment kaya ti Pampanga keng tutuking banwa.
Bali naman yung pandemic, may umpisa yung 2020, 2021, 2022. Na 2022 talagang maging maluwag na. In 2023, transition niya. In 2024, 2025, mag-expecta mo na lalo yung dagol yung kakatamong ekonomiya. Anya, ini kakatamong theme niya ni, bala mo magpiesta tana, baka nito maging masaya rin tao, rin kaya beta mo kayong Pampanga Chamber, keng business, kasi aluway tang masayang magobra ka eh. Masanting yung kaya mo, yung output mo.
Kaya nga yung 20th anniversary, priming countryside business and beyond. No? So, meaning, what we have done for 20 years, we are moving forward to the more progressive, more exciting years. And so, that's why parang nag-grow lagi yung members. We have always new members.
Dininan danemang pugay ken 20th anniversary na ning PAMCHAM ing karelang founder ay Levi P. Laos. Ilaos sa founder na naman ning Laos Group of Companies kaya ba ing CLTV 36, ing meni muna ken pamanyulong ken countryside development emo keti Pampanga, nune pati ken mabilog a Central at North Luzon. Bistama na tune ken kabilambe, babalaos na kanun ning PAMCHAM ing kayang pegumpisan.
Of course, we give credit to our late founder, Mr. Levi Laos, our chairman emeritus, no? So, he was instrumental to what the PAMCHAM is now. Yung foundation na pinutap niya and the legacy, of course, that he has given us. So, we are so blessed, with Mr. Levi Laos na he has poured a lot of his personal time, his efforts, his talents, his leadership. Talagang lahat nagbe-benefit ngayon because of his leadership.
Pasalamat yan naman ng PAMCHAM karang-karelang ganang miyembro aalang sawang susuporta at sasaw karang aliwa pang negosyante bang lakwas manaway ang ekonomiya at mas sale sa lapabye rin kaya katamong kabalen. Kaya JM De Jesus, ako po yung kaya kayong talasuyo, Arlen Salonga, ating pusong makabalen.